In this video, I am going to explain you how to do the isometric component for the given orthographic position. So this is the orthographic projections. This is the front view, top view and side view. So in front view we can see length of 110 mm, height of 80 mm. So first let us draw a rectangle of length 110 and height 80 mm. Select sketch, take rectangle command. From origin point, draw one rectangle. Make dimension of length 110 mm. Length of 110 mm. Height of 80 mm. Height is 80 mm. Okay. Now, in this step only, we shall draw these circles of two holes diameter 16. As per the given dimension, let us place the circles. Select circle, draw two circles of approximate dimension. Now do the dimension of the circle. Yes, specified a diameter of 16 mm of two holes. Enter 16 mm. Do the dimension for the second hole and it is 16 mm. It has placed at height of 25 mm. This is the height of 25 mm. Enter 25. Next, distance from edge to here it is 30 mm. Circle to the edge, it is 30 mm. Distance between both the circles is 50 mm. And we have to do the dimension for this circle also of diameter height 25 mm. Okay, this is as per the given dimensions. Now select isometric view, extruded boss base, a width of 60 mm. In the side view and in the top view we can see the width, that is 60 mm. Enter 60 mm. Next, in side view it is in the shape of L. Okay, we have to cut this portion. Draw one rectangle from the corner and cut this rectangle. How to do this? So this is a left side view. Okay, this is left side view. Here select left view, left face, sketch rectangle command. From this corner, draw one rectangle. Make dimension. Distance from this edge to this line is 30 mm. Edge to this rectangle line 30 mm. And this edge to this line, it is 25 mm. Enter 25. Now cut this rectangle. Okay, extrude cut, select through all. Okay, select through all. It has cut throughout this portion. Okay, cut throughout this portion. Select OK. Okay, so this is the left side view. It looks like. Okay, this is the front view. In the top view it look like this, but in the figure it is in this way. It has cut a portion of rectangle 40 into 25 mm at a distance of 35 mm. Select top face followed by top view. Sketch rectangle command. From this edge, draw one rectangle. make dimension. This is 25 mm, enter 25. This is 40 mm, enter 40. Distance between edge to this line is 35 mm. Edge to this line is 35 mm. Isometric view, extruded cut, select through all, select OK. See, this is the front view. In front view it look like this. Okay, in front view it is looking in this way. So this is the top view. This is the top view with hidden line visible. Okay. Next, left side view. In left side it's looking like this. Do the dimension. Finally, select dimension and do the dimension. So these are the given dimensions. Finally, width